MUKE. The grammar of MUKE is mean that intend for or aim at. Are you see here? Say intend for or aim at. In Japanese, when you use the grammar of MUKE, you can use with the noun only. And when you use with the noun, it should begin the noun and plus MUKE. In here, MUKE you can write in kanji or in hiragana, as you see. The second one that we write in hiragana, and the first one we write in kanji. We just had the same meaning, so don't be confused when you see the structure like this. And this had the meaning of intend for or aim for and at, which means you have made for something. So to make more understand, the next we are going to see some example of how to use the grammar of MUKE. The first example, 初心者向けのコースがありますか？初心者向けのコースがありますか？ Which means, do you have a course for beginners? Do you have a course for beginners? The next example, この家は部屋が多くてファミリー向けだ。この家は部屋が多くてファミリー向けだ。Which means, this house has a lot of rooms and is targeted towards families. This house has a lot of rooms and is targeted towards families. For the first sentence, you see that we use the noun. Our noun in here is 初心者. 初心者 is mean beginner. So in this 初心者向け, this means for beginners or for beginners. Or muki. Muke is mean aim, right? Aim at. Or it has the goal and you use for that goal. And in here we can say 初心者向け, which means for the beginners, and what for the course for beginners. And for the second sentence in here, our noun in here is family. Family is mean family in English. They write from the hiragana, the katakana from the English meanings to be Japanese chosen. If you say in English, you can say families. What you say in Japanese, you can say family. Family muke, which means for families to work or intend for the family, right? So the next, この映画は子供向けなので大人は見てもつまらない。この映画は子供向けなので大人は見てもつまらない。Which means that movie is targeted for children, so it will be boring for adults who watch it. That movie is targeted for children, so it will be boring for adults who watch it. This sentence here we see that our noun in here is kodomo. Kodomo is mean children. So we use the noun and muke. Kodomo muke, which means for children. Right. Your target is for children. So you can say kodomo muke, otona muke, something like this, right? It's for adult, you can say otona muke. It's for children, you can say kodomo muke, something like this. It is very easy for how to use the grammar of muke, right? The next example, kodomo muke no ehon corner wa 13番の棚にあります。子供向けの絵本コーナーは13番の棚にあります。Which means the children's picture book corner is at shelf number 13. The children's picture book corner is at shelf number 13. And this sentence had the same meaning that like just the last moment that we study, we use kodomo, right? So this. Thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。